Sino ba?
Oras na po, it's time. Oras na po para malaman kung sino ang magwawagi ng ating special awards. But first, let's call back our lovely candidates in the search for 2017 Reyna ng Aliwan.
Ang ganda ng gowns nila, no? At iba't ibang kulay.
Yan na naman, tinatanong mo na naman ako, paano ko ba i-react yan? Ang gaganda ng gowns nila, no? Oo naman. Para silang mga malalaking Barbie.
Para silang mga Diyosa.
Beautiful, beautiful. And now, may we request Mr. Robert Pua of Pua and Associates to hand us the results, please. Sisimulan po natin sa special award for Miss of Friendship, which the ladies voted among themselves. The girl who is true and being her simple self, yet radiating like a ray of sunshine among all of them.
So presenting the award are MBC's VP for Promotions, Mr. Sante Lizaldi, together with Mrs. World Philippines, Marlan Mangruba.
Reyna ng Aliwan 2017 Miss Friendship is candidate number 7, Sherry Rose Fernandez of Panagpanga Festival.
So candidate number 7.
This was based on all 3 official photo shoots for swimsuit, evening gown, and festival costume.
Yeah, so may we call on Mr. Dio Macalma, together with Miss Ana Lu Estabas of It Figures Facial and Slimming Salon to present the award the most photogenic candidate. So sinong tingin nyo yung Miss Photogenic tonight?
Okay, Reyna ng Aliwan 2017 Miss Photogenic is candidate number 9, Maria Atisa Manalo of Yugyugan Festival.
Well, congratulations, candidate number 9 for winning Miss Photogenic.
as a Miss Unique Smile na pinili ng mga kinatawan ng ACS Manufacturing Corporation, makers of Unique Toothpaste.
So presenting the award are Mr. June Nick Dow, President of Manila Broadcasting Company, together with Mr. Enrique Atoco for the media agency of ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Hi, boss. And now, the girl with the most unique smile. Oops.
Sino kaya?
Ganon? Ganon?
Unique smile? Tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng mga smile.
Yes. Okay, here we go. Is candidate. Let's call back candidate number 9. Maria Atista Manalo of Yogyuga Festival.
Congratulations again, candidate number 9 for winning this Unique Smile.
May we call on to Mr. Juan Elizalde, Boss Juan, our Vice President for Radio Operations of Manila Broadcasting Company, Ms. Cindy Noel of It Figures Facial and Slimming Salon, and Mr. Mark Go, Marketing Manager of Tanduay, to join us on stage and present the award to the candidate who looks best in swimsuit.
Wow, sexy, no?
Sexy?
So, she is none other than... Sino tingin nyo?
Swimsuit!
Swimsuit? Sino? Ano po? 9? 10? Ano rin akong 10? Sino pa ba? Sexy naman nila. Mahirapan. For sure nahihirapan yung mga judges.
Oh, ikaw na lang.
Ako na lang. Ako na lang best in swimsuit.
Ikaw na lang. Oh, ikaw na lang.
So,
our Reina ng Aliwan 2017 Best in Swimsuit candidate number 10!
Eroquino Pagkalon Festival! President of Manila Broadcasting Company, Mr. Juan Elizalde, 2016 Reina ng Aliwan City at Humayan to present the award.
And also I'd like to call Mr. Barge Ramos for the awarding. Okay, ito na. Reina ng Aliwan, Best in Evening Gown
is none other than
tawagin natin ulit, candidate number 10!
Eroquino Pagkalon Festival!
Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nagwagi ngayong gabi. Bukas po sa ating awarding ceremony, pagkatapos ng Grand Parade, malalaman po natin kung sino ang ating Festival Queen o Reyna ng Aliwa.
So let's see all each other at the Carino Grandstand 4 p.m. for the Liwan Fiesta Grand Parade. In the meantime, thank you so much for joining us this evening. I hope you enjoyed yourselves because we surely did.
On behalf of Manila Broadcasting Company MBC, Star City, the Cultural Center of the Philippines, and the cities of Manila and Pasay, ako po si Dennis Antenor Jr.
And I'm Stephanie Rose Pearson of Arastri.
Maraming salamat, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. God bless you.
Thank you so much, and once again, congratulations to Reyna ng Aliwan. Once again.